Good morning, my beauties. It is an absolutely magnificent, beautiful, quiet summer morning. I love this time of the year. Everything's blooming, birds are chirping lightly. Just drinking my coffee, having a wonderful slow time waking up this morning. It's my favorite coffee cup. It has all different kinds of lip prints on here. And then the name of the shades. I love this cup. It makes me smile. Good coffee, good weather. You know, I'm sure you have heard of red light therapy somewhere in the news today, or if you go to your med spa, they use a device sometimes after you've had a procedure or facial, and they put this big device over your head, and it's red light therapy, and you wear some goggles. Or if you've had some really invasive procedures, your dermatologist or your plastic surgeon may have you actually lay on a bed of red lights. The reason for red light therapy is because it's actually been proven that red lights reduce inflammation in the body. And if you know anything about inflammation, it is absolutely the root of all evil in your body. It leads to diabetes, heart disease, contributes to your acne, flushing the skin, just so many things. You can go ahead and research it on your own. But inflammation is really bad for your body. And it's been proven that red LED lights can reduce inflammation and promote circulation, which is phenomenal if you're concerned about your skin or you're looking to reduce the signs of aging or, reduce some of the damage that you've done previously. So, as luck would have it, my friends over at Lightstim sent me a handheld red light. Here we go. It came in this beautiful box. It's a handheld red light device. This brand Lightstim is used in the majority of your larger med spas and salons. I know because I've had it done, and it's a wonderful procedure to have done. A lot of times if you've had a professional microdermabrasion or like a diamond glow facial, they'll put a Lightstim or the light therapy. Lightstim is a patented trademark name. So it's the red lights that they put over the top of your face, and it feels nice. It's warm, but it's not hot. It's not like laying in a tanning booth or anything like that, but it feels very nice. And it promotes healing. It can actually help you produce more collagen in your skin, which we all know is phenomenal. We all want more collagen. Some of us get it injected. Nevertheless, it's wonderful for you. Now, the company Lightstim actually has 3 different types of handheld devices. They have the one for wrinkles, which is the one that they sent me. They have, and that uses a combination of red and amber lights. It's a total of 72 lights in it, which I'll show you when we open this. So the one for wrinkles is red and amber. There's one for acne. If you have acne-prone skin, or you might have hormonal acne at this age, or your teenagers might be suffering from acne. That comes with a mixture of blue and amber lights. The reason for the blue is it kills bacteria, and the amber, it's a combination of amber and red. I'm not quite sure what you call the color. That helps reduce the inflammation that acne causes. And there's another one that helps reduce pain. So if you had, a sore knee, you're getting knee replacement, or you've got tennis elbow, you can actually put it on wherever the affected area is, and it's proven to help reduce pain, which is phenomenal, right? So I'm super excited about this one for wrinkles. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what all it came with. The plug. So it's a plug-in device, which is good because a lot of times batteries die and then you're hunting all over the house, taking them out of the TV remote and everything else. So that's good. You have to plug it in. Oh, it's really packed in there. Right. Okay. Look at the box it came in. This is a carrying case that you could take with you when you travel. It's hard. It's like a semi-hard type case. That way it won't get smashed in your luggage, but it will protect the device. Very nice. Very nice. And it's not huge. It's not huge at all. Let's see what we got. Okay. So here's the actual device. And then we plug it into this. This is super exciting, guys. This red light therapy I've read so much about this in the past. They even have panels that you can buy, and you can actually hang these panels anywhere in your house and just sit in front of them. It's supposed to do a ton of good things for you. I can't help but wonder if these aren't the types of lights that people use for depression. Have you heard about those lights that people sit in front of for like 10 minutes a day, people with seasonal affective disorder? I don't know. This red light will make me pretty happy. I know that much. Okay, so you plug this into here. Hang on while I duck down and go plug this in. It's got a really generous sized cord too, guys. This is really cool. That way you're kind of not stuck in one spot. having to do this. I want to go ahead and plug this in. Excuse my lean. Pick it back up. I'm back. Hey guys, I'm trying out a new background. I don't know if I love it. I see a big wrinkle in the back. Please don't send me too much hate. I'm working on it. I'm very short and I cannot reach the top. I'm going to have to wait until my husband gets home to fix that. So I don't know. I might actually hate the design. It's a little bit busy, but I don't know. It's something different. So we'll try. Okay. So it also came with, this is called the Lightstim Photo Serum. It's a hydration elixir. It's It's a photosome packed formulation for smoother and more youthful skin. Now, the thing about the red light device is you use this in conjunction with your serums. It actually helps them penetrate more deeply, and in essence, you get more bang for your buck for your serums because it absolutely penetrates so much better than it would on its own, which is a win-win for everyone. However, I do want to caution you. Never use this with a retinol or retinoid or any vitamin A derivatives because that will absolutely cause you terrible irritation of your skin. You can actually damage your skin. Do not use this with any type of retinol, retin A derivatives, tretinoin, any of that. And I also would not use this with anything with benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid. Those are two medications that are used for acne-prone skin, usually. Nothing like that. You want to use this with like a hyaluronic acid. They actually make sheet masks that go with this. So you put on your sheet mask and then you go, it has to be a certain kind of sheet mask though, so that the light can penetrate. Makes sense? But we're going to try it with this serum that it came with. Also, when you want to start a session with this, you want to make sure your skin is completely clean, especially if you use a lot of sunscreen because the light obviously can't penetrate through sunscreen. But you're going to wash your skin really well. It's good to do a little bit of gentle exfoliation, maybe a light microdermabrasion, because, you know, if you go to the med spa, if you've had a microneedling treatment or like a diamond glow therapy or a light microdermabrasion, that is when they use the red light because after they remove that top layer of skin, the red light helps it to heal. And it also helps those skin cells turn over a lot quicker. Makes sense? So what you're not going to want to do is use one of your AHA or glycolic acid chemical exfoliants beforehand and then jump into this. If those are products that you do use, I use them as well. You're going to want to use that the night before, maybe even the day before if your skin tends to be a little on the sensitive side. You just don't want to activate it too much with this light because this light it's a heck of a light. These are FDA approved. They are made right here in the United States of America. They're harmless. They're very gentle. There's no side effects. There's no downtime, no pain at all. In fact, it's a wonderful feeling. But again, don't do any kind of aggressive exfoliation to your skin. I also wouldn't use this if your face is a little bit sunburned after being out in the weather. I didn't see that indicated anywhere on the website, but I just think that for safety purposes, I would not use this after any kind of prolonged sun exposure, just because your skin does get a little bit irritated, it's a little swollen. You know what it is if you have a sunburn on your face. I hope you don't, because you should be using a lot of sunscreen on your face so that you prevent the burn, because burns and excessive sun exposure leads to premature aging, brown spots. Hello. I digress. I'm always going to give you a lecture about sunscreen. Nevertheless, back to, this also came with a sheet mask in here, which I'm not going to use today because that would be kind of awkward to do. But it came with their brand of Lightstim sheet mask, which is baby soft. It says rejuvenating mask drenched in hydrators, peptides, and antioxidants for soft glowing skin. It's one biocellulose mask. I'm super excited to use this. So you would, of course, cleanse your face, apply this biocellulose mask, and then just use this light. And I'm going to demonstrate how you use the light. Okay, but let's open up the serum that it came with. I'm excited. Love skincare. Love skincare. Here we go. And it's a pretty generous size bottle. I do know that this is very expensive from looking at their website. So, but a little goes a long way. And hey, if you're taking this much time to put into your skin, it's worth it, because you do not want to have to go to the med spa and pay for a red light treatment, because it's going to cost you. And this is great. You don't have to travel to the med spa or the dermatologist's office to get this. You can do this right in the comfort of your very own home, bathroom, bed. I like to do this sometimes when I'm watching TV at night, and it goes by so fast. Or sometimes it's nice to just lay back in your bed or on your couch or your chair and just give yourself a nice treatment, because it is so very relaxing. That's kind of why I thought I would do this video this morning, because I was feeling relaxed, drinking my coffee, enjoying a beautiful morning. Okay, so it comes with that. It also comes with these goggles. You do want to protect your light. It is your eyes. It is a strong light. Now, if you refuse to use the goggles, you can't remember to put the goggles on, or the goggles just fall off your face. I don't usually like goggles, but for safety purposes, I'm going to tell you to wear your goggles. It came with them. They have a lot of other light protecting goggles on the market. I don't know of any company. It has a string, and you just attach them, and they go. If you've ever gone to a sun tanning place, you probably had to wear these goggles. Let's see, it goes right in here, and it has a string that attaches them, and it's just another way to protect your eyes, which we should be protecting our eyes. Nevertheless, here's what you do. You turn on your device. Hear the beep? Now, I don't know that you can tell here. You can see the red and amber lights, which is for the anti-aging. So what you're going to do is, I like to work mine clockwise rather, so that I don't miss an area of my skin. I put on the serum after I've cleansed my face. Just a light film of that serum is all you need, and then you just lightly touch it to your skin, and you're going to feel it warm up. It's not going to burn. It's not overly hot. You're not going to, if somebody else were to touch the device in mid-use, nobody's going to get burned. I'm keeping my eyes closed because I want to protect my eyes. And I'm going to let you see how long it takes until you move on to the next section. It's 3 minutes. This device does come with a beeper, and it's going to beep to let me know to move on to the next section. And while we do that, we'll have a sip of our coffee because we're relaxing. Remember, this is relaxing. Skincare should be about relaxing. I mean, I know they say beauty is pain, but sometimes beauty's relaxing. Sorry for the slurp. This can also tighten your skin, which we all want. It helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles. It helps prevent fine lines and wrinkles. And again, the red light is designed that it helps promote the production of collagen, which we all need collagen in our skin, no matter how old you are, because we start losing collagen as we age, and we start looking older, then we need to get fillers. So it should be coming up here any second. I think the one for acne with the blue light would be phenomenal. It would be a great gift for, maybe someone who's in 8th grade and getting ready to go into high school, and you're looking for, sometimes they have a graduation from grade school or middle school to high school, and they're struggling with a little bit of acne. That would be a really nice gift for your teenager. And that way you don't have to worry about them using some of the stronger solutions like a salicylic acid or a benzoyl peroxide, which those are great products, but a lot of teenagers, they just, they won't wear the sunscreen over it, and they can really damage their skin. So a blue light like this would be perfect for your teenager that's struggling, and they could be on their computer, playing their video games, and just hold this to their cheeks or wherever it is that they're having a little bit of acne. I think that'd be a great gift, actually. Shame this wasn't out when my kids were younger and struggling with acne, because I think they'd have maybe been more compliant with this than they would with a salicylic acid, or, just in general, sometimes it's hard to get teenagers to wash their face. And if they do, they just produce so much oil and sebum, it's hard to keep up, especially the ones in sports. Okay, so this also helps to improve your own skin's hydration, which is good, because dry skin tends to look like it has more wrinkles and fine lines in it. I'm getting close because I want you to hear the beep so that you know to move on to the next section. Did you hear it? So now you just pick it up and move it over. I'm going to put it over here so you can see me. See, you just lightly touch it to your skin. It feels really nice. And you can sip your coffee, watch TV. You could read a book. There's so many things you could do. And they say that the recommended time you're supposed to use this is between 5 to 7 days a week. 7 days is a little bit of a hard commitment, I think we can all admit, but 5 days is doable, especially during the work week. You do that for about the first 3 months, and then after that, maybe twice a week just for some maintenance. And that's not a huge commitment, especially when you're going to see results with this product. You're going to love it. You really are. In fact, you're going to be, if you miss a week, you're going to say, geez, I'm missing my red light. You really are. So that's not too bad of a commitment. And like I said, you can use all different kinds of serums and treatments on here and probably only continue to improve your skin. See? I'm not going to keep holding it on here because we could be here all day while I do my entire face. I'm going to shut it off. You'll hear the beep. Like I said, I just received this from my friends over at Lightstim. Thank you very much. I'm super excited to continue to experiment with this product. And I'm going to update, of course, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, and let you know what my experience has been, perhaps a before and after, and see, you know, I'm particularly concerned about this brown mark I have right here, and I would really like to find the one tool that will help me get rid of it. I have been using my NIRA at-home laser for under my eyes and for this, because it's kind of like a micro IPL treatment. I don't know, the jury's still out on that. If you want to see the video on my NIRA laser, I'll put a card in up above here somewhere. I don't know if it goes here or there, and you can go ahead and review that video. It might be helpful. So I'm using the NIRA laser in conjunction with my new Lightstim for wrinkles red light therapy. Super excited to get it underway. If you have any questions at all about this device, I've got access to their website. I would be more than happy to help you answer any questions or figure out a routine that's really good for you. I'm so glad you joined me on this wonderful, beautiful summer morning. I hope that you too are off to a great start and doing something fun for this beautiful summer weather. Let's embrace it while we can. If you enjoyed this video, if you found value in it and you'd like to see more videos just like this one here, please do me a favor and hit the subscribe button, hit the like, thumbs up button for me. It really does help me with the algorithm. And like I said, if you have any questions at all, or if you have a product that you would like me to try out here on this channel, leave it down in the comments below and I'll be happy to go and buy it. That way I can save you a lot of time and a lot of money. I'll try it out for you so you don't have to. Thanks again for joining me. My name is Jennifer, and I will see you again soon.